We're live from the Caterpillar Antique Machine Show at our Holt dealer in San Antonio, Texas. We're viewing many machines, over 50 plus machines. This is day 2 of the ACMOC event. We're looking at not just gasoline powered machines, but diesel powered machines. These machines were built in both Peoria, Illinois, Stockton, California, and San Leandro, California. Many of these machines help build many great projects across the world. We're seeing right now a Caterpillar diesel track type tractor, probably built in the 1950s. As you can see, it has a very distinctive dozer blade. In the early days, these were called crawlers or track type tractors. Today, we're calling them dozers. So you can see the back of the seat is the distinctive now CAT trademark. The next machine coming into view is a CAT D4 diesel track type tractor. Again, this has a very unique dozer blade. Dozers were used on CAT equipment going back to our two predecessors, Holt and Best. And Caterpillar came out with their own blades in the late 1940s. Behind this machine is a very rare Caterpillar 60 logging track type tractor. You can see in its gray, rugged design was made to pull logs across the forest. Not very many of these exist, and you can tell from the top it was actually very influenced by Henry Ford's Model T with a Model T top. Next coming into view, it looks like another CAT D4 track type tractor. The D4 was not only used for agricultural purposes, but it was used to pull dirt. It again has the CAT trademark, which came into existence in the early 1950s. Now the reason people called them CATs, it was just simply people started shortening the names to CAT, and so we trademarked it and started putting it on our equipment. And again, our product line today are known as CATs. You'll see a D2, that was the smallest diesel track type tractor. That was produced from the late 1930s until the 1950s. Next is another D2 track type tractor, again with a dozer blade for pushing dirt. Very popular in agriculture. Many of these machines are quite collectible because of their small size and they're easy to transport. The next is a CAT 30 track type tractor. Again, we earlier said this was designed by C.L. Best, went to the Caterpillar product line in 1925. Today, the DNA of this machine is a D6. You can see our machines were originally gray. Next is a Caterpillar 2-ton track type tractor, originally designed by the Holt company and went onto the Caterpillar line. Again, these machines were gray. A lot of people don't know our machines actually didn't go yellow until 1931. The next machine that you're going to see coming into the view is a very early Holt track type tractor. It has what you call a tiller wheel on the front, just like kind of a modern agricultural machine. And the reason for that was our machines were originally made for agricultural purposes. Again, the oldest machines in this collection are actually from pre-World War II, or World War I, excuse me. But the oldest machine, which you might see in the shot in the background, is actually of a Best steam tractor. Originally, our machines were powered by steam. And then in the early 1900s, they were powered by gas. Again, you're looking at the Holt 120. A Best 30 is coming into view. We're going to be seeing the Auto Patrol motor grader coming into view. The Auto Patrol was the first motor grader that was ever invented, and it was invented by Caterpillar in 1931. The original motor graders would have been gray, but very shortly we turn the machines to yellow. This is a very rare machine, and the motor grader is still on our product line today. The machine right behind it is another Holt Caterpillar 10-ton track-type tractor. The 10-ton was the largest on the Holt line. These machines not only fought in World War I, but built many great projects across the world. The next machine is that you'll see a very distinctive white track-type tractor. This was an Expo machine. We want to thank everyone for watching the show, and we hope you enjoyed watching our antique machines in action.